Welcome to Violets. Hello everyone, I hope you're well today and that you're enjoying this new series. Galahs are the most prolific of all of the cockatoos in Australia. They are slightly smaller than what you would normally think of as a cockatoo, the larger white ones with the yellowish crest. We have a phrase, you're carrying on like a galah, which pretty much means you're being an idiot, or other people would say you're carrying on like a pork chop, or there's a few phrases like that. I've noticed after I've been coming to the park for a while that certain birds have certain territories and they are definitely getting more comfortable with me. I would never have been able to get this close in the past. So I hope you enjoy these lovely pink things. Every night just before sunset, the Kestrels cross overhead. These ones are only disturbed by the approach of Zoe. This bird polices the oak here and particularly does not like Zoe and squawks at her every time we come past. There are a lot of these birds around the area and they're particularly fast and hard to see because they camouflage extremely well. Another Australian phrase is you're having a lark, which means you're having a joke. So the magpie lark is a lot smaller than what people would think of when they think of a magpie, which is actually a member of the crow family. And often when you see people overseas with magpies, this is actually what they have. You're beautiful. These are very little and very fast, so I'm very happy I caught one today. This is outside Flinders Street Station in the city where they are fed on a daily basis. This is at the base of an oak tree that line most of the streets in the CBD. We have a great variety of pigeons and I know there's a few of you out there that appreciate them as well as myself. As most of you would know, I have a real weakness for the spiky-head pigeon, also known as the wood pigeon. Stone the flame and crows is another phrase we have for good reason. And when you hear the magpies, you know why we all say, mate! Bye! Hope you have a good day, everyone, and that you enjoyed this. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see.